Hey chicks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys are returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. So today's look actually screams green. Green is actually one of my favorite colors because some of my favorite things are green. For example, money, aliens, and margaritas. But anyways, if you guys want to learn how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I love making it. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Comment down below anything else that you guys want to see me film. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!